Welcome to Colony Ridge. Today we will be reviewing how to make a one-time payment using PayNearMe. Visit our website colonyridge.com and select Pay Online on the top right corner. Select your preferred language. You will have the opportunity to create an account to link multiple properties or to select Make a Guest Payment to make your monthly payment. You must fill out the following fields to be able to access the payment page. Select the one-time payment option. You must now select your payment method. Please note that fees vary depending on method of payment. Enter the information of the selected payment method. Now add the amount you would like to pay, then click Submit Payment to process your payment. Please review that all information is correct and complete the payment. After the payment is completed, you will receive a payment confirmation and a text message with your payment details. Thank you for your business. For any questions or concerns, please call us at 281-399-5263.